Alright, David Omishakin here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I do basically on my YouTube channel is I bring techie information down to you, to your screen. I bring information about technology, about mobile phones, and about reviews. I do reviews a lot too. Okay, so what I'm bringing down to you today is how you can create an e-commerce store for free with a website, a free website. Under 5 minutes you can do it yourself. So please, to continue this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a like if you are enjoying this video already, because you're going to gain value before the end of this video, and I'm very sure you will have an e-commerce store before the end of this video, because if you are doing it the way you are watching this video, you will have an e-commerce store before the end of this video. So should I give you some moments and or some seconds for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel? All right, so let me just pause. All right, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for liking my video. So back to today's business now. So the application, you can actually download it on Play Store. So this is Play Store. The name of the application is VPower. Oh, why did I take it? VPower. So I have the application installed on my phone already, so let me just open it. All right, so this it actually looks like, but when you download it, it's going to ask you to what? It's going to ask you to register. So once you register, this is how it's going to look like. Because I've registered my own, that's why I have David Omi's Enterprise, and that's the name I want for myself. So this it's going to look like. So this video is just to make things very easy on how to go through everything. So now let's go through it one after the other. So here we have dashboard. That is your dashboard, that is your sales and everything. So orders, this any order you get from your store, this is actually where it will be listed here. You are going to see it here. So you can see these orders are actually a test run. Actually, they are actually test run. So product, so this is where you are going to add your product. All you just have to do is just to click on the plus sign, select the kind of product you want to do. Okay, so let's try one here. So let's say I want to do, just give it a name, give it put your price, put your description, click on create. Once you click on create, your product will be live online. So let's just try one here. So let me say my name, David, the name of the product, let's say online store. So okay, this is actually where we are going to add product. We are going to come back to this place because we have to add a category. So if you look at this place now, we have categories. So here we have categories here. Okay, so I only have two categories here. So one is for digital products, and I guess if you want to add category, just come down here and add any category you want to add, just add it here. So I guess we have digital product, and this thing, if I want to turn this video to a course now, so it will be, let me go to product again. So let me click on add product. So digital product. So my name, let me put online store. So yeah, the category is digital product. So the price I'm selling this is 2,000 naira. So you are going to add a product description, online store. You know, this is actually a tutorial video, so you don't expect me to put all the details here, just for you to see how it works. All right, so just click on create. All right, so once you click on create, let's refresh and see where our product is now. So let's go to digital products. Now you can see our product is here now. So you are wondering why this product didn't have picture. So you first create the product. After creating the product, that is when you can add image to it. So let's go back to the store now. You can see it has media. So this is where you're going to add your pictures, your product pictures actually. So let me just pick one random picture. Let me pick one random picture here. So I picked this. This is actually a random picture. So let me click on upload. All right, so let me refresh. So let's click on save. So now you can see we have our product online now. You can see it's now on our website now. So, and this is actually one of the this thing is just a tutorial too as well. I just made this one. So it's actually an e-commerce website, digital, regular price 3,000, but I'm selling it for 150 1,500. That is actually a discount. So regular price, this actually means you are discounting them. So selling price, okay. So I didn't add description to this video actually. So the media, this is actually the media I used here. You can have multiple pictures here, just for people to scroll, just like you have it on Jumia, you have it on Gigi. You don't have only one picture, you have several pictures that people can see: the side view, the front view, the back view, probably all the views from the of the product. So this is actually how it looks like. So you can be adding them. You click on the plus sign, add everything to it. All right, so this badge is actually, there are some products you're going to see online that they say best choice. It will be like a layer on the product. It will be best choice, thank you. So I would suggest you choose best choice, or you can create another one. Click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, just add the name of the badge you want and create a new one. So my own is, I used best choice. It's just a tutorial. It's not necessary for you to use best choice. You can use any other thing. So let's go to charges. So I didn't add any charges to it. You can go through it and add charges to it yourself. So stock, this is actually the number of products, the number of the available products you have. Well, this is not actually necessary. Well, so to make this video short, just go through all these things. So this asks you add your product to it. All right, so let's go through. Okay, we've gone through a lot, Seth. All right, so payment, let's go to payment, and I'm touching the necessary parts here. So payments now. So if you want people to pay, okay, so people can actually pay to Stripe, Pay Later, Razzo Pay, Paystack, and Paystack is very popular. Flutterwave, very very PayPal, very 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 popular. People can pay through all these things. So you can just set up your payments method here. So people can pay online. So you can add coupons to, I told you, just like all these normal websites you have, you can add coupons to as well. So let's go. So okay, so to make this video very short, just go through all these things. Once you have the application, I just have showed you the major things: how to add product, how to add image, and how to add other things to it. So if you want people to access, your customers, if you want them to access this products online, so all you just have to do is just to share your link with them. All right, so this is actually your link, a well crafted link. You can see, hello, you can start shopping at our online store. You can see well crafted well crafted copy that you can use. It's for free, just use it for free. So I'm not going to copy that one. I just want to access it through this place. So let's see how our website is going to look like online. All right, so now here we have our store, our website, anyone you want to call it. This is actually our store. So you can see the if you look at the top, this thing, you are going to see the categories we have phone cases, we have digital products. So let me click on the digital products. These are how your customers are going to see your online store. This is how they are going to see it. So let me just let me add online store. Let me add to cart. I told you it is just like your normal Jumia, normal eBay, just like all these things. So you can add to cart. I can add, okay, let's say I want to buy this thing, I want to buy this course. I can say I want to buy 2 of these products. It's not necessary you add digital product though. Like this phone case now, I can say, okay, this phone case now, let me just add to cart. Let me buy 3. So you can, if you notice very well, just look down, you are going to see categories cart. You can see you are seeing 5. So now when people add to carts, like they are going through, you might have thousands of products here. So once people are going to, they will be adding to cart just like you add on Jumia. So what you just have to do is just to come to their cart and check out. So if they come to their carts now, so now if they want to check out now, so the total price, you can see everything is there. They've calculated everything for you, just like your normal Jumia. So they've calculated everything for you. Delivery charge 0. This delivery charge, you will add it yourself. You are going to add, you can add it to your products, you can add it to your product price, or you are going to add it. We saw something like charges here. see charges here. You can see charges here. So this is actually where you are going to add your own charges, your delivery charges. So that's where you're going to add everything to it. So now what people have to do, the next step is just to click on the address you want them to deliver it to. So click on the address. Not you necessarily, those your customers, what they are going to click on, they are going to click on address. So let me say the person accessing this thing online now, that probably your customer, the name of your customer is let's say Brian. The name of your customer is Brian. So your customer is going to select a suitable address they want to deliver to. Let's say they want to deliver to Ogba, Lagos. So let's say the country they are in, the state they are in, the country they are in. All right, so your customer can actually add notes. Let's say the note they want to add, please make it snappy. I'm acting like your customer now, so make it snappy. All right, so now they are going to click, all they have to click on continue. So once they click on continue, you can see everything is here. So they can actually pay through pay later. If you've set, we have look at this place now. I'm actually in the app now. We have payments here. So I actually set my pay later. I've set my pay later. So you can actually use pay stack as well. Just click on the settings and set the bank you want them to use. But me, I used to prefer them to check out with WhatsApp. You can actually add your number, through the payment. You can add your number on this website. So just go to your settings and so just come to this place. Look for so your social link. Once you click on your social link, your WhatsApp, Instagram, where they can actually access you. So these are actually the place they can actually access you now. So your links, you can add your link to this place. You can add everything you want to this place. So now, if you want your customers to buy through your WhatsApp, so this application too, it gives room for that. So I've actually set my own WhatsApp number to this application. So once my customer click on check out with WhatsApp, let's say check out with WhatsApp, I think that one is very simple. You can see it will automatically direct them. Although I've done this today, don't mind me, but I've done this today. So it will automatically direct them to my own DM. Okay, so now the customer is sending me this now. So I'll be seeing what the customer said. Okay, so I'll be seeing this on my own DM. So your order is received. I order. So you can see all the products. Online store price 2,000 naira. iPhone pouch. You can see the quantity. You can see it's 3. You can see it's 3 they want for this iPhone pouch. The total number is 9,100. You can see their name. The name of the customer is Brian. The address, the notes I added them, please make it snappy. You can see this application is very good, very, very, very awesome, very awesome. All you just have to do is just to market your link. This is the application. This is a website. So it is only this link you have to market. Just market the link. That is all you have to do. So this is how it will. Just go through all these things, all these buttons. Just go through them. I'm very sure they have a good user experience. All right, so if you actually gain value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Anytime I drop odd videos like this, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching this video. You are really welcome. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.